4 divided by 4 over 3 times 3. 3 into here 1, 3 into 3 1. Then we are left with 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. 1 is the wrong answer to this question because division and multiplication have equal priorities. We must work from our left to our right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our division, which is 4 divided by 4 over 3. Now we are going to introduce KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep for change division to multiplication, then flip 4 over 3 to 3 over 4, then multiply by 3 here. Now let us simplify. 4 into here 1, 4 into here 1. Then we are left with 3 times 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. 9 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.